Kino kirango obubaka buno buteekebwamu ensimbi Haji Mukisa Karim omusomi w'edduwa ey'ekyasa kino. Osobola okumufuna ku nnamba y'essimu 07789291 era ng'eri ne ku WhatsApp. Weekwate Haji Mukisa Karim akusomera edduwa enaakuyamba okuleeta emikisa mu mirimu gyo gyonna, okunyweza obufumbo mu maka go gy'oli. Edduwa enaakuyambako okufuna omulimu gw'obadde onoonya. Edduwa enaakuyamba okuwangula ensi mu ntambula zo zonna. Enaakuyamba okweggyako olutwe, okwegobako ebibamba wamu nammwe abaagala oba balina plan ez'okugenda ebweru okwekolera ku nsimbi. Mwekwate akusomera edduwa enaakyusa obulamu bwo. Haji Mukisa Karim omusomi w'edduwa ey'omukisa.
And as such, Your Worship, we shall seek an adjournment in this matter because our inquiries seem complete.
We shall not try dead people. Just imagine, Your Worship, if Honorable Ssegirinya died today in the hands of prison. It would really be so absurd, Your Worship. But lastly, Your Worship, I pray that this court also gives some kind of order or to have some extra protection for myself, Your Worship, because for quite some time I have been receiving threatening messages, people trailing me and threatening me to abandon this case. And I have reported this issue to National Police Station and a file was opened. But Worship, in the interest of preserving life and also enabling me to do my work properly, the authorities can be directed to give me extra protection so that I can ably do my job. But also, Your Worship, before I take leave of this matter, I need to bring it to the attention of court that the accused persons that I represent, that is F5 and S6, are in a dying state, especially Honorable Ssegirinya Muhammad, who currently actually is not at Luzira, as the state has informed court, but he is confined at Mulago Hospital, where it is a try and error on his life to see whether they can bring it back. Your Worship, maybe it explains the reason why it's not on Zoom. In that case, Your Worship, I still plead to this court that it should be put on record that both F5 and S6 need to be given leeway to engage doctors of their choice and hospitals of their choice to treat their ailments. Your Worship, I pray that that should go on record. We know we have experts at Mulago, but Your Worship, our hospitals are not equipped to handle some ailments. So I pray that it be put on record that this court directs Honorable Ssegirinya Muhammad to be allowed to access medication beyond Mulago Hospital from his specialized medical doctors who have been attending to him before he was arrested. And Your Worship, in the same line, Honorable Alan Sawanyana complained to this court and on several occasions of also having ailments that need special medical attention from his doctors, including pain in his private areas, in his private parts, Your Worship.
Man and the deceased is under threat. But I must also say that even the prosecution is under threat. And the long and short of that is that my and sister should consult the police headquarters in Kampala, because it looks like the report she made at Nasana is not yielding many fruits. Kampala headquarters can afford to accord her adequate security. But we condemn that. We condemn that. On the issue of A6, A5 and A6's health, we have always been positive as prosecution on the right of the accused persons access Medicare. And we believe that they have been accessing the same because the places where they are detained from are equipped with enough medics and drugs to take care of their ailments. And as far as Honorable Ssegirinya is concerned, I've just heard it from court that he's critically ill. We are not aware of that. What we know is that he's detained and is, in case of anything, is being taken care of.
The prison authorities should ensure that the accused persons access the necessary health care treatment from specialized doctors who can treat the accused persons. And on the issue of threatening counsel for the accused can follow up the complaint she filed at Nasana police station, and in case she's not helped, she can engage the high authorities at police headquarters. Matter is adjourned to 23rd November. Much obliged, Your Worship, at 9.
By both counsel for A5 and A6, together with the Chief State Attorney, specifically about the health conditions of A5 and A6. The prison authorities are ordered to ensure that they get adequate medical treatment from specialized hospitals or doctors qualified to handle their respective ailments. I know the government can settle that for them. About the threats or intimidation of counsel for the accused to abandon the case, I condemn such acts in the strongest terms if she has indeed been threatened. and advised her to follow up with the police where she reported the case, and if she is not satisfied with the manner in which the matter is being handled or investigated, to proceed to CID headquarters for their intervention. She can also liaise with the office of the IGP for security if her life is at stake, because it's the duty of the police to protect every citizen and accord equal treatment to us all. The matter is adjourned to 23rd November 2021 for committal proceedings.
Much obliged, Your Worship.
Musango mpezadde okutuuka nga nakusomeza 23 omwezi guno ogw'Ekumi omwaka guno, era ku olwo oludda lwabwe lusuubiza nti lujja kubasindika mu kkooti enkulu erina obuyinza okuwuliriza omusango guno.
Olunaku lwaleero nate era tukomyewo Masaka wano ku kkooti, naye ekyenyamiza nti Honorable Ssegirinya era tebaliseeko ne ku Zoom okwongera okulaga nti embeera mwali ddala yeetaaga kati kusabira busabizi. Wabula tutegeezezza kkooti nti abawaabirwa bano Honorable Ssegirinya ne Honorable Allan baasaba dda okujjanjabibwa okw'ekikugu okuliko abasawo baabwe, n'olwekyo tukisabye kkooti nti ababaka bakkirizibwe babeere nga bajjanjaba abasawo be beerondedde n'amalwaliro ge beerondedde. Era kkooti n'egamba nti mu butuufu emanyi nti gavumenti erina obusobozi obubakkiriza okuba nti no balaba abasawo baabwe abakugu bonna bwe babeera babasanze. Era n'egamba nti ekyo ekiba kikolerwa abantu baleme okufiira mu mikono gya prison oba mu mikono gy'amalwaliro ga gavumenti nga tebaliiko basawo baabwe bakulu. Wabula kkooti n'egamba nti nga 23 Novemba omusango gugenda okuddamu okubeera nga gukomawo. Kozi n'ensonga endala tutegeezezza kkooti mu ngeri gye ntiisibwatiisibwamu okuva ku musango guno okuba nti ngobererwa, okubeera nti mpambibwako amasimu mu ngeri ez'enjawulo, era nentegeeza nti n'omusango nagulopako ku poliisi naye tewali kyonna kikoleddwa. Ate nga njagala okukola omulimu gwange mu ngeri etali yakutiisibwatiisibwa, naye era kkooti n'egamba nti abakuumaddembe ba Uganda, ofiisi ya IGP, Kibuli CID ennoonyerezi esobola okubeera ng'ensonga eno egiyingiramu okusobola okulaba nti obukuumi bubeerawo mu mbeera zonna, ate na ku buli muntu okusobola okulaba nga ensonga zino zigenda mu maaso. Of threats, first and foremost, it starts from the trading, and also locally have been informed before that I must drop this case, legal representation, and go do other things. But this is information I get from very unknown people through different people send text messages using maybe numbers of relatives and friends, and they tell you want that lady to go off that case or else she will face it rough. So I have reported this matter before at some police station, but court has advised me also to engage Kibuli CID headquarters and also urge the office of the IGP to give me extra protection so that I can be able to execute my work and represent Honorable Ssegirinya and Honorable Allan professionally without any intimidation.
What is the health state?
Parents are in a dying state. I no longer need to speak about Honorable Ssegirinya because you all know that he is dying at Mulago Hospital, and we have told court that we need government to be directed to give them, to allow them access specialized medical attention from their own doctors, their own hospitals chosen by them. And today court has said it's okay. Let the government allow them to access their medical doctors. Let them be assessed by their own doctors, examined by their own doctors, by hospitals they have chosen themselves under the supervision and care of government.
Okay, let us proceed.
Capital case number 228 of
We can choose a date in the week after the week of 15th. Maybe 24th, 25th, or 23rd. What's the...
Muonge Jude. Muonge Jude.
Muonge wandiko mkono tunawe. Wandiko mkono.
Wamala bulo.
Appearing for both accused persons, that's A5 and A6.
Servata Mike, Muonge Jude, Wamala Bulo, Mugera John, Honorable Alan Swanya na Rosias, Honorable Ssegirinya Muhammad, ne Kanyike Jackson.
Servata Mike.
Servata
Wamala.
Mugera John.
Wendy.
Kanyike Jackson.
Kanyike?
Going to the hospital, but he is coming back. In 1 second, he'll be in. Down one.
Honorable Ssegirinya Muhammad. Chibona. Honorable Alan Sewanyana. Okay.
Kino kirango obubaka buno buteekebwamu ensimbi Haji Mukisa Karim omusomi w'edduwa ey'ekyasa kino. Osobola okumufuna ku nnamba y'essimu 0778 929 1 era ng'eri ne ku WhatsApp Weekwate Haji Mukisa Karim akusomera edduwa enaakuyamba okuleeta emikisa mu mirimu gyo gyonna, okunyweza obufumbo mu maka go gy'oli. Edduwa enaakuyambako okufuna omulimu gw'obadde onoonya. Edduwa enaakuyamba okuwangula ensi mu ntambula zo zonna. Enaakuyamba okweggyako olutwe, okwegobako ebibamba wamu nammwe abaagala oba balina plan ez'okugenda ebweru okwekolera ku nsimbi. Mwekwate akusomera edduwa enaakyusa obulamu bwo. Haji Mukisa Karim, omusomi w'edduwa ey'omukisa.